Hello, design and modeling students. This is Mr. Osborne. I'm going to show you how to make an assembly for your reverse engineering project. You've designed a wheel, you've designed the car body, and you have designed an axle. Those are three separate parts. So car axle is one part, car body is one part, and car wheel is one part. Now you're going to turn them into an assembly. Make sure that you have all three of them on your desktop. So car axle, car body, car wheel. They're all on my desktop. I'm going to click on New, and I can, if I just hover, if I use my cursor, my mouse, arrow, hover over New, this pop-up will appear, and you can simply say Assembly. Nothing is on my screen. I need to put all of these parts into the assembly. So I'm going to use this function up here. So it's called place. So I'm going to left click on place. This will pop up. It's like, hey, what components do you want to place into this assembly? You need to make sure this is on your desktop. So switch it to desktop if it's not already there, because that is where your parts are saved. You're going to hold down Control on your keyboard, so CTRL, that is the control button. Hold that down, left click on car axle, left click on car body, left click on car wheel, and then select Open. You now have all three of those parts ready to place. So I'm going to left click one time, then I'm going to right click because I do not want to place any more, and say OK. We can see that I have a wheel. If I left click and hold it down, I can drag these parts around. So left click and drag. There's my wheel, there's my axle, there's my car body. I need one more axle, three more wheels. So I'm going to click on place. I'm going to make sure this is on desktop because that's where my parts are. I'm going to find the parts that I need. Hold down Control, left click, Open, left click, right click, OK. Place, left click, Open. I'm going to left click twice this time because I need 4 wheels. So left click for one more wheel. I have 3. Left click again for one more wheel. Now I have 4. So I'll simply hit right click and OK. The next thing I want to do is ground this car body so it doesn't move. If I remember. If I right click, I can scroll down and then left click on grounded. So then my base is grounded. Oops. My base is grounded. It does not move. However, I can still move these parts around. So the base, or the car body, is now the base. It doesn't move. That's what everything will get attached to.